of old, sailing ships all full of gold. The new world to the old world they would sail, with silver and gold, silver and gold. Some ships sailed across the ocean, some ships grounded on the reef, some ships sailed to the bottom of the sea. And they dance all night on a wooden dance floor. They dance like their feet was in the sand. Close together, feel the beat of the music, but listen for the rhythm in the sand. Long ago in days of old, slaving ships with men in hold, the old world to the new world they would sail. Black gold, black gold. They came and sold them on the shores, made their money and got some more. A culture kept alive by the beat of the drum. And they dance all night on a wooden dance floor. They dance like their feet was in the sand. Close together, feel the beat of the music, but listen for the rhythm in the sand. Long ago in history, pirate ships all ruled the sea. The oceans of the world they would sail. Pirate gold, pirate gold. They pillaged ships with a mighty sword, rape and kill for the treasure hoard. The bush of an island, they buried their gold. And they dance all night on a wooden dance floor. They dance like their feet was in the sand. Close together, feel the beat of the music, but listen for the rhythm in the sand. You gotta listen for the rhythm in the sand. You gotta listen for the rhythm in the sand. Century, high-speed boats on a midnight run with a cargo worth much more than a human soul. White gold, white gold. Fortune made and a fortune lost, chances taken at any cost. The life of a modern-day pirate is ruled by a gun. And they dance all night on a wooden dance floor. They dance like their feet was in the close together, feel the beat of the music. Listen to the rhythm in the sand. You gotta listen for the rhythm in the sand. You gotta listen for the rhythm in the sand.
Hey, all these guys that are playing here tonight all came in because they wanted to be part of this recording. They support the Preservation Society. So how about a nice hand for the band here? All of it. Lightning, Phil, Morgan, the Magnificent, Davis, Spencer, Errol, Paul. Yeah, but in the recording studio, way in the background, the sound man, that's Dan back there. He's our engineer.
Gonna take a Greyhound down to Miami, Lord. I'm gonna sell my ticket back home. Down to find me a southbound freighter, Lord. And on the ocean I'm gonna roam. Someone told me there's an island down there which you got my name on. Gonna find that island, Lord. It's a sweet little island, Lord. I'm gonna stick my claim on it. Can you see? Can you see what this island can do to me? Can you see? Can you see, Lord, what this island can do to me? I'm gonna buy me an old wooden boat. I'm gonna fix it up and sail away. I'm gonna take that boat out as far as it will float until my dying day, dying day. Come on, help me sing it now. Can't you see? Can't you see what this island's been doing to me? Come on. See, love, can't you see what this island's been doing to me? Can't you see? Oh Lord, can't you see? That's it. What this island's been doing to me? Can't you see, love? Can't you see? Where can't you see what this a split-tail mermaid. I'm gonna make that fish my wife. Gonna take that fish, Lord, as far as it will sail for the rest of our life. Can you see? Can you see what this island been doing to me? Can you see, love? Can you see what this island been doing to me? I know that a lot of you folks are going to be sailing out of here tomorrow. Some of you might be flying back to the States. But I just want you to know one thing. A little memory that you can take with you from Foxy's Bar, Ivan's stress-free place. You see, it's come to our attention. It don't matter where you travel in this life. It don't matter how near or how far, 'cause God loves you just the way you are. I love this crowd already! Hey, all these guys that are playing here tonight all came in because they wanted to be part of this recording. They support the